who it is. Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy T-Double-M, that man Michi, back with y'all with another video, with another banger. I'm trying to tell y'all, this one gonna be a banger for real. So right now, I'm finna meet up with the gang, OTG_certified, that the gang that I'm rocking with, you feel me? Finna slide up there. I'm about 10 minutes out, probably like 15, but 10 minutes out. I'm late as shit, so finna slide down there, see what they talking about, then we finna go to the location where everything finna go down there, you feel me? So y'all just y'all stick with me. Y'all stay with me and y'all watch the whole video, cause I'm trying to tell y'all, this about to go down for real. The lineup though, pressure, man, pressure. Alright, y'all, about to get ready to pull out. My boy see the game. No, but Mopars, but hey, we're gonna make this shit fun, man. This shit gonna be fun as fuck, no cap. We about like 20 minutes out, man. No cap, boy. Hey, niggas been sliding, boy. We been sliding, no cap. I ain't gonna post that on YouTube. I ain't gonna do that. But, boy, I said mean gang sliding, boy. Oh, we sick. Oh, Top Stepper. Top Stepper, what's going on, boy? Yeah, coolin', boy, coolin'. Shit, y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is, man. T-Double-M, that man Michi, man. Y'all boy, make sure y'all follow, like, and subscribe to all of my videos, man. For real, man. Like I said, he coming for y'all boys, for real, boy. That's what he coming for real, man. Hey, you did all that shit while I came late, bro. Huh? You did all that shit while I came late, man. Man, how you came late, bro? Like, man, shit.
What you doing, man?
We were cruising, man.
Everybody else got the content. What the fuck you doing?
Nah, I mean, like, I was with them boys. Shit, you was already gotten done. You already got done spinning. I'm like, damn. I missed all that shit. Shit,
shot. First me too, ain't it?
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
That's
shit, we all. Boy almost hit the pole, boy. He said that. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Lame, man. Man, lame fuck. One cop. And just like that, y'all. Just like that. I don't know y'all can hear the siren, but yeah. He on everybody else now, so we finna slide to the next location, no cap. Alright, at the second location. We waiting on everybody to pull up now. We got the Mustang, Ross-San looking good, just sitting there chilling. I ain't doing no spinning with her tonight, fuck that. We're gonna let the Mopar boys do all that. But hey, honestly don't look out, but this shit hard for real. That didn't turn out as we planned it. God damn. Alright, so I'm guessing that they already got the next location mapped out. So that's where we're gonna head to now. And hopefully this one be better than the last two spots we was at. Like really. Hopefully shit goes smooth this time. That lineup on Mopars is crazy, boy. Come on, man.
But I have my vision, you couldn't see.
Let's step with 392.
Hey. Oh, my bad, my boy. Oh my God. My fault. Shit's clean, boy. This bitch shit clean as a motherfucker, boy. I ain't even gonna hold it. Why am I just fucking around getting Uh-oh. is so clean. This shit live, boy. This shit crazy, boy. Ooh. Ew. I'm glad it was my white when I ain't got that picture, bro. But I should. I had to, nigga. Had to. Oh, shit. That shit sound ridiculous, boy. That nigga, they nice with that shit. Well, I ain't gonna hold it. Oh shit. Fuck it. Just go. Just go. Just go, bro. Go, man. Fuck it.
Just do.
That boy might want to back the fuck up.
Hey, get your pause. Let me hear something.
Huh?
Let me hear something.
This shit is sick, boy.
I ain't gonna lie, that bitch, god damn.
Fucked up. She on the phone calling the police, goddamn it. Goddamn. Hey. Well, yeah. About to be hard as the bitch I got here now, boy. Alright, so again, the last spot, that shit was jumping, no cap, but I couldn't record a lot of it because of the music, man. They were playing so many copyrighted music, so yeah, I couldn't really give y'all the content I really wanted to give y'all, but hey, at least it's something, you know what I mean? That junk was deep, man. That shit was thick. Shit was crazy. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Finna hang up with the gang, OTG. You already know what it is about them boys and I. And we're gonna just chill, man, no cap. We just gonna chill. We're gonna stroll and chill. Shit. See, we sliding. Come on, man. Act like we don't do this, man. We slide around here, boy. Real talk. Alright, y'all, man. This is gonna be the end of the video, man. I'm terribly sorry that I couldn't give y'all the content that I wanted to give y'all, man. It was so much music, and I wasn't trying to get hit with copyrights. Not me, I'm sorry. But got the boys out here. You feel me? We finna go ahead and fill up. Call it a night. Head back to our side of town.